I'd like to demonstrate for you today the accuracy and repeatability of the JT Brooks automatic tire deflator. What we have here is one of our in-house test fixtures where we pressurize a small tank with compressed air, which reads out on this gauge, and we can at this end screw our pre-calibrated tire deflator onto the tire valve. We've got about 20 psi right now in this tank, and I can screw on this tire deflator, which we have preset to 10 psi. As I open this valve, the tank will pressurize to 34 psi, replicating the pressure in a tire, and the tire deflator valve itself will open. I will close this valve, feeding the pressure in, and you can watch the repeatability of this tire deflator deflating down to the 10 psi. When I close that valve, it's dropping our pressure right down, right to that 10 psi. I can charge this tank again, close the valve, and we're dropping it right down to that 10 psi. Every single one of these lines on this gauge is 1 psi, and you can see that the variation from that 10 psi line is almost impossible to distinguish. And there we are again, 10 psi. Remove this tire deflator. And as you can see, if it's important to you to have your tires deflated consistently and repeatedly to the same psi each and every time, your only option is a JT Brooks automatic tire deflator.